Hello, David here with SparkConsultant.com, and in this video I want to talk about an app that everybody should have installed because it will dramatically increase your SEO for your website, especially if you have a spa or salon or brick and mortar. Any local business should definitely have this installed on their website. And the app that I want to talk about is Rich Snippets. So we're going to jump into my computer in a second, and I'm going to show you exactly what that application does and why you need to have it installed. Hey guys, welcome into my computer. So I won't waste any time. We're going to start looking at a few spas that do have and do not have the plugin installed. One of them that I'm going to start off that does a terrible job. It's called Red Door Day Spa. It's Elizabeth Arden. They have a lot of locations. I don't know why their SEO, their online presence is just bad. When I typed in Red Door Spa, some other spa and salon that does much better job for some reason came up before Elizabeth Arden Day Spa. So I just wanted to show you this right here is built by Rich Snippets. You see these little links, and this is mostly is built inside Google My Business. I don't know why people don't take advantage more of Google My Business. It's free and it has so many rich features that go in here under your brand. So let's this is exactly where you could just be managing and really pre-populating and marketing your services. So let's take a look at another day spa which I picked. Is Oasis Day Spa. Again, they do have it installed. They do have the plugin installed, and it's right here. You see all these links. They actually have the locations of their spas and this logo right here, and it's all because of Rich Snippets. But again, they do not take advantage of Google My Business because again, this could be much more. Okay, let's jump in one of the spas that I do manage, and you could take a look. We chose to have monthly deals, spa packages, facials, and massages as inside the Rich Snippet. This is built because of the Rich Snippet. This is what it creates. You can have a logo. I'm going to show you another one, and this is how we take advantage. My client inside Google My Business, he has the phone number, he has the website to book appointments, he has another menu, he has products and reviews. Close Sunday, and look how rich when you start managing, really putting information inside Google My Business. Again, from products to, which is really important, and I talked about that in other videos, is doing the post. Look, Valentine specials. Look how nice. And again, we have it till the 29th. I know it's Valentine's past, but look at the difference between other locations and the locations that I managed. Let's take a look at very big business. They have a lot of locations, and their locations are super nice. They're inside the hotels. They're inside. They usually have spas inside Equinox, which is a big gym. And yes, they do have it installed as well on their site. And again, they chose the location, services, offers, events. This is built by Rich Snippets. And logo as well, built by because they have Rich Snippets installed. And this is how this comes up right in here. But again, they don't take advantage of Google My Business. I mean, this could be much more information on it. You see, I don't even think they have it claimed. So let's take a look at Nike. See how well Nike does even better job because they advertise their brand. It's not only they have it in the search, but they also advertise, which is look all these different links that they have because they do ads and they install in their ads extensions of their site, and this is called link extension. This is how this is why it has these links, because Nike did create it. They do a great job in really having rich snippets right in here. All these, look how nice. They have the logo here, and they have all this inside, I guess like a brand in Google My Business brand. I guess that this is exactly information that they have. And let's quickly take a look at some of the searches also that it does. Spa packages in New York City. This is an ad. Just want to show you also, because of Google My Business, you could send out reviews. And really, this is one of my locations that I manage. And really, there's no competition. It's 67 reviews over, I mean, they Oasis also does a great job. 197 and 99, 199. Hey guys, so I really hope I made my point why you really need to have rich snippets installed on your site, so you could benefit from better SEO, better branding for your location, for your business. I hope you like these tips. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.